Welcome to navi3. In this video we show you how to check and replace the filter box seals. Leaking filters affect the negative pressure and thus the cleaning effect of the device. If the filters are tight, they protect the pump from contamination. Check the filter and filter cover seals monthly. Place the filter box on a stable work surface. Remove the filters. Check if the seals are still soft. They should extend beyond the edge of the recesses. Over time, the seals are compressed and no longer seal optimally. These seals should be replaced. Take a flathead screwdriver and slightly loosen the seal from the rim. Pull the seal away slowly to avoid tearing it. Repeat the process for all seals. Clean the openings with a cloth so that they are dust-free and dry. Remove the protective foil from the outer ring of the new seal. Insert the seal with the adhesive side down. Use a filter cartridge to lightly press the seal. Repeat the process for all filter seals. Turn the filter box on its back. Push out the inner part of the seal. Reinstall the filters. Also check the springs on the filter cover. Thank you for your attention. You can find more information about our products on our website and on our YouTube channel.